A signature lipstick shade is about more than just finding the perfect color to flatter your skin tone or personal style. It's about finding confidence in a tube, moxie in a swipe. There's no rule that you can only have one single lip shade as your signature color either. It's completely acceptable, if not totally necessary, to have different go-to shades that work for any and every occasion. You can easily rotate between a bold red that's fun for holiday parties and fancy affairs, a creamy pink nude that is your staple on a daily basis, a glossy berry reserved for dinner with the girls, and a sheer rose that can fake a natural flush even on your dreariest day. Each shade has a personality and power of its own. For that reason, certain classic lipsticks have made their mark throughout the years as the most reliable and most likely to be found at the bottom of any Southern woman's purse. From audacious Revlon Fire and Ice to subtle and recently repopularized Clinique Black Honey, you'll run into some longtime friends, and perhaps some you've not yet been introduced to, in this definitive list of lipstick shades we'll never stop wearing. Number 1. Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in Fire and Ice. You can't deny the power of a red lip, and this shade is about as vintage and classic as it gets. Since 1952, Fire and Ice has graced the lips of many a confident woman. The vibrant red shade possesses coral pink undertones that will push through depending on your skin tone, usually veering either more coral or pink. Number 2. L'Oreal Paris Color Riche Lip Color in Ferris Nude. One thing's for sure, Southern women have always loved a bargain-friendly lipstick that packs a punch, and this ultra-creamy nude is a trusty everyday shade that never fails. It keeps lips nice and hydrated, and it has the slightest pink tinge within the true nude color. Plus, you'll find over 20,000 5-star reviews for the time-tested tube on Amazon alone. Number 3. Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. This legendary lip product has been around for over 30 years, but has seen a major resurgence recently when everyone remembered, or their mom told them, how insanely good it is. This sheer, deepened raisin almost lipstick deserves every ounce of praise it has received over the years. While the color looks borderline gothic in the tube, it goes on as a natural hydrating tint to your lips that's just barely there. Number 4. Dior Rouge Dior Lipstick in $9.99. This shade is nothing less than iconic. It's an absolute, perfect true red that works on any skin tone and makes its incredible quality known upon first swipe. In 1953, Christian Dior desired to create the perfect red for his models to wear on the runway, no matter the outfit, and came out with two shades, 9 and 99. These two reds were later combined and perfected into the single 999 shade. Number 5. YSL Rouge Per Couture Lipstick in number 19. The first shade created by Monsieur Saint Laurent in 1979, this bright berry has something to say, and can perhaps have the same extrovert effect on those who wear it. It's one of the boldest of the bunch and should be worn with total confidence. Luckily, the quality is unmatched and goes on like a dream, which will only make you want to don it more often.